Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials. Verify MIUI and free space so widgets add cleanly. Once done, long press an empty area on your home screen to enter Edit mode. This reveals app icons and a Widgets button. Tap Widgets, then scroll to Gallery or Photos. That's the widget source. You do this because widgets depend on permissions and the launcher. If Gallery isn't present, update the Gallery app and grant storage permission. Now you're ready to place the widget. Drag the chosen gallery widget onto your home screen and drop it where you want. Sizes matter because the gallery will crop images to fit. After placing it, tap the widget to open configuration. Pick an album or folder, adjust slideshow speed, and decide whether to show captions or full images. Make sure to set the refresh frequency so new photos appear. You do this because proper sizing and album choice prevent stretched images and save battery. Finish by confirming the widget behaves. Check that images update and tapping opens the gallery. If pictures don't show, first confirm gallery permissions for storage and background refresh. Once verified, remove and re-add the widget or clear gallery cache. Rebooting often resolves thumbnail or permission glitches. If the widget remains slow, switch to a smaller size or a single album to reduce processing. Remember this troubleshooting tip. Permission and cache issues cause most failures, so verify those first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.